Journey back in time to the 6th century Arabian Peninsula, a land of vast deserts and ancient traditions. Before Islam, this region was characterized by tribal societies, rich oral traditions, and diverse polytheistic beliefs. At its heart lay Mecca, a significant trading hub and a spiritual center, home to the Kaaba, revered by many. It was into this world, around 570 CE, that Muhammad ibn Abdullah was born, an event that would forever change history. Orphaned at a young age, Muhammad was raised by his grandfather and later his uncle Abu Talib. Learning resilience, he grew into an honest and trustworthy merchant, earning the title Al-Amin, the trustworthy, respected by all. Seeking solitude and reflection, Muhammad often retreated to the cave of Hira on Jabal al-Nur, near Mecca. There, at the age of 40, he received his first divine revelation from the angel Gabriel, marking the dawn of Islam. The message was clear: there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger, calling humanity to monotheism. Initially, his message was met with resistance and persecution from the Meccan elite, who feared losing their power. Despite immense pressure and hardship, Muhammad and his followers remained steadfast in their new faith. Facing escalating persecution, a momentous decision was made to migrate from Mecca to Yathrib, later known as Medina. This journey, the Hijrah, in 622 CE, marked a turning point, not just for Islam, but for world history. In Medina, Muhammad and his followers were welcomed with open arms, finding refuge in a new home. Here, the first Islamic community was established, built on principles of brotherhood, justice, and equality. The Prophet forged alliances with various tribes, laying the groundwork for a unified society. Islamic laws and governance were developed, creating a model for a just and equitable society. The nascent Muslim community faced numerous challenges, including military conflicts with Meccan forces. Key battles like Badr and Uhud tested their faith and resolve, forging them into a resilient force. Despite setbacks, the Muslims persevered, demonstrating unwavering commitment to their cause. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah, a seemingly unfavorable agreement, proved to be a strategic masterpiece. It paved the way for peaceful interactions and the eventual triumphant return to Mecca. In 630 CE, Muhammad and his followers entered Mecca peacefully, without bloodshed, a testament to his leadership. Idols were removed from the Kaaba, restoring it to its original purpose as a house of monotheistic worship. 2 years later, in 632 CE, Prophet Muhammad performed his farewell pilgrimage, delivering his final sermon. His sermon emphasized justice, equality, and the sanctity of life, leaving a profound message for humanity. Soon after, Prophet Muhammad passed away, leaving behind a thriving community and a complete way of life. His legacy was immense, as Islam rapidly spread across the world, inspiring civilizations and cultures. From science and medicine to art and architecture, Islamic civilization made unparalleled contributions. The Prophet's message of peace, justice, and monotheism continues to resonate with billions worldwide. His life stands as a beacon of guidance, a testament to faith, perseverance, and transformative leadership. The story of Prophet Muhammad is not just history. It is a living legacy that continues to shape our world.